everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. Today, this is part two or day two of party prepping. I am creating a princess in the frog birthday party, so I am prepping the centerpieces. Beginning of the video, I had to slice the image in half because Cricut does not print larger than an 8x11. Usually I would use my Silhouette software, but I don't have the larger paper right now, so this is the alternative. You can just like kind of split it up in like threes if you need to and piece it together like a puzzle. So I might try that next, but I don't know. If you would like me to try that on the Cricut, making a bigger image, slice it in 3 parts, leave me a comment and I'll do that for you. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want me to make you some birthday decorations because you don't want to do it yourself, I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. My business information will be in the description below. Also check out my Etsy store if you like custom anything. Like custom rolling trays. It's really like a smoke shop, so go ahead and check that out. That will be in the description below as well.